Hi, I'm Mike, and after 30 years in the plastics industry, we have designed a completely new, unique product to help get you back to work safely. This is the Summit Defense Shield, and there's absolutely nothing else like it in the market. You simply cannot get the materials for the current designs. This is the perfect solution for offices, schools, universities, factories, even restaurants, to help you get back to normal, whatever the new normal is. The shield is extremely easy to fit with no tools and fits any desk. And with the magnet click system is installed in seconds. It offers increased levels of safety, reduces anxiety, and offers a physical barrier between you and others, thus reducing the spread of germs. It is proudly designed and manufactured in the UK, and all the component parts are 100% recyclable. So if you'd like to be in touch and place orders, please contact our team or visit our website, summitdefence.co.uk. Thank you.